In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon in Taobao. If you want to save money on your next purchase, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find coupons, how to claim them, and how to apply them at checkout so the discount actually shows on your total. Start by going to Taobao.com and logging into your account. Being logged in is important because coupons are tied to your profile and won't apply if you're browsing as a guest. Before you can use any coupon, you have to collect it. Think of collecting as claiming the offer so it's stored in your account. You can find coupons in several places, right on product pages, as store vouchers on a seller's storefront, inside the Taobao Coupon Center, and during promotional sale events. When you see an offer you like, open the product or store page and tap Collect Coupon or Get Voucher. That adds the discount to your account, so it's ready when you check out. A quick tip here: glance at the coupon details. Many have validity dates, minimum spend amounts, eligible categories, or store-only restrictions. Knowing those rules avoids surprises later. Next, choose the item you want to buy. On the product page, select the size, color, or other variations you need so the correct SKU goes into your order. Then tap Add to Cart if you're still shopping and want to combine items, or Buy Now if you're ready to check out immediately. Adding to cart can be helpful when you're stacking store vouchers with product coupons because you can see the combined effect on your total. When you're ready, open your cart, select the items you plan to purchase, and tap Checkout. This takes you to the order confirmation page where all discounts are applied. Here's where you use the coupon. Look for a section labeled Coupons, Vouchers, or Discount. Tap it to view the offers you've already collected, then select the one you want to use. The best eligible coupon will typically be highlighted, and once you choose it, Taobao applies the discount automatically to your order summary. If you don't see a coupon you expected, it usually means the item doesn't meet the rules, the coupon expired, or it's limited to specific products. Finally, review your discount and pay. Check that the coupon reduced the price in the total, confirm the final amount looks right, choose your preferred payment method, and complete the payment. That's it. Your coupon savings are locked in. With these steps, you'll be able to consistently find, claim, and apply coupons on Taobao and stretch your budget on every purchase.